Hi guys, मेरा नाम है आमना और आप देख रहे हैं Something Hot. Eid is right around the corner, and given this crazy time that we're living in, we need to be responsible, especially when buying new clothes. So we're going to talk about slow fashion and timeless trends that are not restricted to one occasion. These are trends that are versatile and can be worn over and over again in different ways. So let's very quickly take a look at the 5 trends that I have selected that I would wear, and I hope you'll enjoy as well. सबसे पहले और ये मेरा सबसे favorite trend है white on white. It's summer, it's hot, and nothing looks hotter during the day than white. We've chosen for you this amazing white on white option from Image Fabrics. It's from the brand's Lawn Kari 2020 collection and is pure, breathable and classic. This is very fine chicken curry, dressed up with 3D flowers and delicate gossamer laces. Let it flow, let your lawn kari kurtas be loose and airy, and you look and feel like a breeze all day. Isn't that what you want this summer? Here we have Noor, who's wearing an option from the collection. Here's an option that is casual but high on style. Shamail has a distinct signature, and her Eid collection has this white on white option that has several surprise elements like floral applique, organza inserts, beaded embellishments, etc. I do think Ramsha Khan looks rather lovely in this tunic. If you want to wear white but don't want to wear cotton on Eid, then opt for a more festive yet breathable and pure fabric. This is a great option from Asim Jofa. It's a white on white knee-length ensemble in viscose raw silk with a pure chiffon dupatta. I dare you to wear it with a white rose in your hair or some fragrant motia and bring out the old world charm. And finally, I absolutely love this white on white pearly option from Sania Maskatia. Modeled by the gorgeous Mushk, this outfit flaunts delicate cross-stitch and comes with ankle-high, wide-leg trousers. So when you're opting for white on white, you can really go crazy with those lowers. You can opt for wide-leg trousers, palazzos, cigarette pants, the classic shalwar, churidar, or even a cotton garara. The options are endless. White on white, guys, is an irresistible classic. So which one of our white on whites did you like best? Okay, so the second trend, and one that many of you may feel is very similar to white, is ivory. You can call it ivory, off-white, beige, cream, there are so many names to it. But it's one of my personal favorites because ivory is so flattering. It's one of the most flattering shades on the spectrum, and I call it the evening version of white. So when you're wearing white during the day, you can transcend to ivory for the evening. It's a bit more dressier. Let's have a look. In this beautiful ivory option from Sana Safinaz, the tunic has been embroidered with blue accents which lift it up. This is a classic Sana Safinaz silhouette. It's contemporary, confident, and yet very youthful. Asim Jofa's vision of ivory is also youthful and very romantic. This seemingly simple long jacket is delicately embellished with tiny mirrors and a range of embroideries to keep it from looking plain. It's got a wide open neckline, making it perfect to wear with statement jewelry if you wish to dress it up. Or go for some simpler silver jewelry if you're dressing up for an Eid dinner at home. Noor, we know, is a minimalist at heart, and she dresses very elegantly. Let's see how she chose to wear it. guys, most designers are sticking to longer hemlines in festive clothing this year. You can see that in this off-white column tunic by Zainab Chitani. It's got a lovely pearlescent feel and features geometrical motifs which are in sync with the designer's style ethos. Worn with streamlined trousers and high heels, this is both elegant and eye-catching. It would look best on tall and slim body types. And last in ivory, we have this simple yet luxurious skin tone outfit from Sania Muscatia. It's modern and fuss-free. I personally love the length of the shirt, which can be worn with any kind of lower, but is looking great with this silk tulip shalwar. Loose and yet structured, this shape would look good on any body type or age group. So I would say go for it. So mono means one and chrome means color. Our third timeless trend is monochrome, which means a single color. I would say identify your personal style and choose a color that adapts to it. I personally prefer bold colors and I go for white, black, a lot of red, purple, blues and greens, solids as we also call them. Pick what you like, pick the color of your choice and work it into a silhouette that suits you. I think that makes for a very, very classic look this Eid and it could be worn over and over again. Here's a little tip for you. The color that you choose this Eid or ever will reflect your personality and your mood. So if you're wearing white, you will give out a white signal and the same goes for black or red. So choose your colors carefully. Ansam Jahangir has several lovely monochrome options in her new collection. I particularly like this mint green tunic that the gorgeous Aiza Khan is wearing. It's an open front sherwani shirt with delicate pearlescent embroidery all over. The color is summery and the silhouette would flatter everyone. If you're looking for richer colors, then I'd recommend this ochre yellow silk tunic and trousers by Asim Jofa. It's got streamlined and simple embroidery on the front and is an understated option for those who like elegance and sophistication. And if you're looking for monochrome options in cotton, then pay a visit to Image Fabric online. I'll be wearing this cheerful yellow kurta for Eid and I love the lace detailing on the sleeves as well as the vibrant dupatta. There's no harm adding some color on the dupatta and the minute I want to change the look, I'll change the scarf. Here's an interesting monochrome option from Sania Muscatia. This tulip jacket is stylish and yet trendy and can be worn in the form shown or it can be deconstructed and worn with black pants and a black shirt. You can really play around with this one. So we like to turn to tradition when it comes to occasions like Eid or even weddings. And this trend is what I call traditional festive. A lot of designers, you may have noticed, are opting and talking about the longer silhouette for traditional festive this year. We're seeing a lot of long kalidar kurtas, a lot of pishwas and angrakhas. Even the kurtas are longer, there are more panels. Basically, there's more flair. There's always the classic kurta. But these trends are never going to go out of fashion. So invest in one and wear it over and over again. What's stopping you? So Ansam Jahangir has several kalidar options in her Eid collection this year. And I can see anyone wearing this pistachio green number to a dholki or even a mehndi. I love the delicacy of its color combined with the delicate copper embellishment that it carries. And of course, there's this block printed kalidar kurta worn again by the gorgeous Aiza Khan. I love the way its panels begin at the neckline and how it flares out. There's so much movement, so much drama. What else could you ask for? Noor got a hold of this outfit so you can see some of the lovely details up close. Moving on, I just love this rosy tea pink option from Sania Muscatia. She's a very classic designer and she's created a flared knee-length kurta worn with cropped trousers and a very gentle dupatta. The highlight of this outfit for me is the white and the Ganga Jamni work, which is timeless and is never going to go out of style. Another lovely traditional festive option is this yellow chikankari maxi tunic by Zainab Chitani. It's traditional, festive, and it has the oomph to carry you through any occasion. So guys, our last and final trend of the day is contemporary festive, which is for the ladies who like to stand out and wear clothes that make a statement. Contemporary clothing, usually relies on fast trends, but we are looking at pieces that are outstanding and aren't going to die out anytime soon. They're like pieces of art, like heirlooms that you could pull out of your cupboard even after 10 years and they'd make just as much sense. First up, we have several gorgeous options from Shamail. Now, Shamail is a really strong brand. She's someone who takes inspiration from art and architecture and creates clothes that are timeless and make timeless statements. This particular collection is inspired by the Austrian artist Gustav Klimt, and there's lots of symbolism tucked away in each and every outfit. Then we have a contemporary option from Asim Jofa. This salmon pink ensemble is simple and sophisticated, yet very modern in its lines. Our next and final recommendation under our trend contemporary festive is this stunning mint green asymmetrical cape shirt by Sania Maskatia. I just love the way it falls around the body, creating an illusion of length and height. It's extremely flattering and I really recommend it. So guys, there you have it, 5 very solid trends that are timeless, that will carry you through Eid in a very responsible way. We don't want to invest too much in Eid clothes. We want to invest in fashion and in clothes that are not going to go out of style. So stay safe, have a great Eid, and let's meet up in the next trend video.